Hello friends, I'm back. Let's learn English together. Lesson number 8. How old are you? Happy birthday, bye.
Thank you.
How old are you?
I'm 6. How old are you?
I'm 4.
Let's cut the cake.
It's delicious, yummy.
Lesson number 9. How many are there?
What are they?
There are boats.
Boats? There are boats.
How many are there?
3.
What are they?
They're cars.
How many are there?
4. How many stairs are there?
There are 10.
What are they?
There are birds.
How many are there?
There are 5. Monkeys and bananas. How many are there? 1, 2, 3.
Monkeys and bananas. How many are there? 4, 5, 6.
Monkeys and bananas.
How many are there? 7, 8, 9.
Are they birds?
No, they're not. They're airplanes.
Thanks for watching, everyone.
We'll come again with more exciting videos.
Please like my video and subscribe my channel.
I love it.